Ali from Talent for Performance here. In Formula One car design, there's a constant tension between two key forces, reducing drag and providing downforce. Drag is the resistance a car faces as it moves through the air, and by minimising it, the car can go faster on the straights. But to handle the high-speed corners, the car also needs downforce, which pushes it down onto the track, giving it the grip to make the corner. Here's the paradox. Adding more downforce gives better grip, but increases drag, slowing the car down on the straights. Reducing drag improves speeds, but sacrifices the grip needed for cornering. The key is finding the right balance for the best possible performance. In leadership, we face similar paradoxes, competing demands that need to be balanced for success. Our Paradoxical Leadership workshop at 12:30 on Wednesday the 23rd of October will help you navigate these tensions and lead with confidence. Why not join us? Click the link to register now.